And to drive on two wheels, you guys will need any surface that actually push you on one side, or like these things at the airport, or any kind of curb or kind of ledge. So once you guys have found your object you want to do this on, for example, it's going to be this mini ramp, just approach it at an angle at a slow speed, and while I'm approaching it, I'm actually turning to the left as well. And once you guys get it down, you have to kind of keep balance. So to keep balance, you guys have to keep on moving your wheel to the left and letting go, and also keep